Hafiz Kasmani. This is canvas. So I want to cut out some piece of canvas. For new technique of drawing. In this shape, not necessarily like this, it is up to you. Fold like this, and now roll it. We here need some paper clips. This is paper clip for holding this canvas. It is up to you, depend on you that you want to use like this width, or you want to like corner of this canvas for thin line and bold line like this. So I want to now use bold line. This is a thumb stamp pad, ordinary, and this is ink, fountain pen ink. Put some in this pad. Some ink. So now with this my new technique, canvas type brush, how to draw. My habit. It is up to you, your habit.